Today we're at our client's landscape installing one of our suburban meadows. And we're installing it in a rain garden. And that rain garden is designed to store and infiltrate as much natural rainfall as possible. And so with the design of our suburban meadow, we're choosing plants that are going to tolerate that seasonal moisture as well as periods of drought. And so combining these two, we not only have a very functional space that's going to do a whole host for the environment, but we're also creating something that's going to be beautiful for our clients to enjoy.